Welcome to Towing with the Elsies. Today I'm going to be doing a review on a NEXTBASE 312 GW Dashcam. The reason why I'm going to be doing a review on this is because I had a Dashcam previously and I found that it was a cheap, nasty one off the internet. The picture quality wasn't that great. It said it was 1080 HD, but I don't think it was. Dashcam was poor. It fell apart, kept cutting out. When I did go to Ardingly for our first trip, I did find that there was quite a few numpty drivers that would cut you up. Looked like there was going to be an accident. Without further ado, let's see what's in the box. You get a card to update your firmware. You get a quick start guide. Five easy steps. One dash cam. One USB cable. One windscreen suction thing. One power cable. One software disk. One NEXTBASE sticker. I don't know whether you can quite see that, but it's a warning, protected by NEXTBASE Dashcam sticker for the car. Right, let's get this in the car and test out the camera side of it. Here we are at the car now. I'm going to install the mount to the windscreen. All you got to do, put it on the windscreen, push the lever, that's it, stuck on, nice and firm. You might see this cable dangling down here. This is for it to be hardwired. This has already been installed with my previous Dashcam. So all you've got to do now is remove the cap at the top of the Dashcam. And to install it, you just slide it in. That's it, simple. The power lead goes to the side. That's it. That's installed. There is two things I want to tell you about. One, it does have GPS, which is really good for when you actually download it onto your computer, the data, you can actually see the route that you've actually taken. So that's a good idea. I like that one. And the other one is it's got a G meter. That gives you your acceleration, your brake and your cornering when you're actually driving. So that's pretty good. I'm going to run through the menu with you as well while I'm here, just briefly. As you can see on the screen, there are a fair few icons. These are quite simple. You've got a video mode. This gap here will show you your record mode. This here indicates your resolution, what you're recording at, and at the moment this is set on at 1080. The next one is your contrast. The next one along is how long it's going to record in blocks. So at the moment this is set for 3 minutes. The next one along is your microphone. You can turn that one on or off. The one down the bottom here, that one is your power. This one is your SD card. This one here is your time stamp. This one here is your date stamp. This one here looks like an aeroplane, is actually your GPS. The functions are quite simple to use. In the top right hand corner is your menu. This will give you your resolution, exposure, audio recording, number plates, video length, park mode, rotate display, time, date stamp, speed stamp, GPS stamp, NEXTBASE stamp, G sensor. So that's quite simple to actually get around. If you press it again, you'll go into your setup mode. The Wi-Fi, the NEXTBASE has its own Wi-Fi, which means you can download your data to your phone, which is good. Saves you connecting it to the computer all the time. You can format your SD card, set your date and the time, your time zone, your language, speed units, screensaver, device sounds, auto power off, systems information, and last of all, default settings. So the menu is quite simple to get around. If you press the menu again, you'll go back onto the main screen. If you press the red button, the middle red button on the right, that will set you on the record. And as you can see, where the gap was, it is now recording with a flashing light. Now, what we do is we're going to take it for a little drive and see what the actual camera is actually like. So let's get on the road. What I'll do is I'll put the radio on so you can get an idea of what it would sound like under normal circumstances. I don't think the audio quality is that good, but if you don't want it, like I said, you can actually turn it off, which is good. So that's the NEXTBASE 312GW. I found it a very good camera overall, especially for the price. I will put a link below to where to purchase these. If you liked the video, give us the thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Till next time, stay lucky.